Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill English Time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Michael, and this is the most relaxed English learning channel on YouTube. We promise.
That's right, no stress, no complicated grammar rules, just real, simple, everyday English, the chill way.
And today's episode is so much fun. We're going shopping. Well, Rose is going shopping, but we're going with her.
Today you will follow Rose through a full day of shopping for clothes, from planning her trip at home to buying a gift at the end of the day.
And every single dialogue is simple, short, and super natural, the kind of English you will actually use in real life.
Whether you are shopping in New York, London, Sydney, or anywhere in the world, these conversations will help you feel confident and ready.
We have 5 amazing dialogues today, and in each one, only 2 people are talking, so it's easy to follow, easy to listen, and easy to repeat.
That's the key, guys. Listen first, then repeat, then practice with a friend. That's how you really learn.
And before we jump in, if you are new here, welcome to the family. We are so happy you found us. Hit that red subscribe button right now so you never miss a new episode.
And if you're already part of the Chill English family, thank you so much. Give this video a big thumbs up right now. It really helps us reach more English learners around the world.
Drop a comment below, too. Tell us, do you like shopping? What's your favorite thing to buy? We want to know everything.
Okay. Enough talking from us. Let's go shopping with Rose. Are you ready?
Let's go.
What are you doing? You've been on your phone for 10 minutes. Sorry, I'm making a shopping list. I really need some new clothes. Oh, a shopping trip. I love shopping. Can I come with you? Of course. I was going to ask you. It's more fun with a friend. Yes! So, what do you need to buy? Well, I need a new dress for Tom's birthday dinner next Friday. Something nice, but not too formal. Oh, that's exciting. What color do you like? Maybe blue or green. I don't know. I'll see what they have. Good idea. And what else is on your list? I also need a new pair of jeans. My old ones are too small now. And maybe a warm jacket. It's getting cold. Yes, it's very cold this week. A jacket is a great idea. And I want to buy a gift for my mom. Her birthday is next month. Aw, that's so sweet. What does she like? She loves scarves and bags. Maybe I'll find something nice for her. Perfect. So, dress, jeans, jacket, and a gift for your mom. That's a big list. I know. I hope I don't spend too much money. I need to be careful. Don't worry. We'll find good things at good prices. Are there any sales today? Yes, I checked online. The mall has a big sale this weekend, up to 50% off. Oh, wow, that's amazing. When do you want to go? How about in 1 hour? I need to shower and get ready first. Perfect, I'll be ready. This is going to be such a fun day. I know, I'm so excited. Let's make it a great day.
Hi there. Welcome to Style & Co. Can I help you find something today?
Hi, yes please. I'm looking for a dress. Something nice for a birthday dinner.
Oh, lovely. Is it a casual dinner or a formal dinner?
Semi-formal, I think. Not too fancy, but not too casual either.
Perfect. I have some great options for you. Do you have a color in mind?
I like blue or green, something bright maybe.
Great choices. We have a beautiful new collection right over here. Follow me, please.
Oh, these are lovely. I like this one. Can I try it on?
Of course. What size are you?
I'm usually a medium, but sometimes I need a large. I'm not sure with this brand.
No problem. I'll bring you both sizes so you can try them and see which one fits better. Thank you so much. That's very helpful. The fitting rooms are right at the back, just past the jackets section. I'll meet you there. Perfect. Oh, wait. How much is this dress? This one is $65, but today it's 20% off, so it's only $52. Oh, that's great. A good deal. Okay, I'll try it on. Wonderful. And if you need any other sizes or colors, just call me. I'm right here. I will, thank you. Take your time. There's no rush. Enjoy the shopping. You're very kind. I love this store.
Rose, how is it? Does it fit?
Almost. The medium is a little tight. I think I need the large.
Okay, I'll ask the assistant for the large one. 1 second.
Thank you.
Here, she gave me the large and also another color, a dark green one.
Oh, green too? Let me try both.
Take your time. A few minutes pass. Rose, are you okay in there?
Yes, just a minute. Okay, I'm coming out. Tell me what you think.
Oh my gosh, Rose, you look amazing in the blue one. Really? You think so?
It's not too short, right?
No, it's perfect. The length is great, and the color looks so good on you.
I like it too, but let me try the green one.
Okay. Wait.
And this one? What do you think?
The green is nice too, but honestly, I like the blue one more. It's more elegant.
I agree. The blue one feels more special, and it fits perfectly. The large is just right. It's the one. Buy it, Rose. Okay, I'm buying it. Should I look at jeans now?
Yes, they have a huge jeans section near the entrance. Let's go look after this.
Perfect. Let me just get dressed. This is so fun.
I told you, shopping with a friend is always better.
You are so right. I would have left without buying anything if I was alone.
That's what best friends are for. Now hurry up. I want to find something for me too.
Of course you do.
Hi there. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, I did. Thank you. It's a great store.
That's lovely to hear. Let me scan your items. Beautiful dress, by the way.
Thank you. I'm wearing it to a birthday dinner next week.
Oh, how fun. You'll look great. Scans the jeans. Do you have a loyalty card with us?
A loyalty card? No, I don't think so. What is that?
It's a free membership card. Every time you shop here, you earn points, and later you can use the points for discounts.
Oh, that sounds good. Can I sign up today?
Of course. I just need your name, email address, and phone number. It only takes 1 minute.
Sure. My name is Rose Carter. My email is rose.carter@email.com. And my phone is 555-0192.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, your card is ready. You'll get a welcome email today, and you already earned points for today's purchase.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Scanning the jacket. Okay, let me get your total. You have the dress, the jeans, and the jacket. Everything is on sale today. Your total is $118.
Oh, great. Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. Tap, chip, or swipe, whatever you prefer.
I'll tap. Taps her card. Done.
Perfect. Print's receipt. Here is your receipt. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please. 1 bag is fine.
The bag is 25 cents. Is that okay?
Of course, no problem.
Great. Here are your items. Thank you so much for shopping with us today, Rose. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Come back soon.
Hello, welcome to Bella Gifts. Are you looking for something special today?
Hi, yes. I'm looking for a birthday gift for my mom. I'm not sure what to get.
How lovely! Well, you've come to the right place. What does your mom like? She loves scarves and bags, and she likes things that are elegant but not too expensive. Perfect. I have some beautiful silk scarves right here. They come in many colors and they feel amazing. Oh, these are gorgeous. So soft. How much are they? These silk scarves are $35 each, and this week they come in a beautiful gift box, no extra charge. Oh, a gift box included? That's perfect. My mom will love that. Which color do you think she would prefer? She wears a lot of beige and brown. Oh, this caramel color is beautiful. She would love this one. Excellent choice. The caramel is our most popular color this season. Very elegant. I'll take it. Can I also add a little card, like a birthday message? Of course. We have beautiful birthday cards right here. You can write your message and we'll put it inside the gift box for you. That is so nice. Thank you. You make everything so easy. It's our pleasure. That's what we're here for. Would you like to write the card now? Yes. What should I write? Okay, I'll write, Happy birthday, Mom. I love you so much. You are the best mom in the world. Is that enough? That is absolutely perfect. Short, sweet, and from the heart. She will cry happy tears. Yes, she will. She always cries at everything. I love that. Okay, let me pack everything in the gift box for you. Thank you. This is so beautiful. I'm very happy with this. Your mom is very lucky to have a daughter like you. Here is the box. Would you like a shopping bag for it? Yes, please. Okay, let me pay. $35, right? That's right. Cash or card? Card, please. Perfect. Thank you so much. I'll definitely come back to this store. Please do. We have new things every week. Happy shopping and happy birthday to your mom. Thank you. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Take care.
And that's a wrap. 5 amazing dialogues with Rose, from planning her shopping trip at home to buying the perfect gift for her mom.
Did you see how much English she used and how natural it was? No complicated words, no long sentences, just simple, clear, real English.
That is exactly the kind of English you need, the kind that works in real life, in stores, in malls, at the register, anywhere.
Today you learned so many useful things. You learned how to ask for help in a store, how to ask for your size, how to try on clothes and give your opinion, how to pay at the register, and how to buy a gift for someone you love.
That's a lot of English for one day. You should be really proud of yourself for watching this whole episode.
Seriously, every minute you spend listening to English, even just as background, is making you better. Your brain is learning even when you don't notice it.
So here's your practice challenge for today. Go back to one dialogue, anyone you liked, and read it out loud. Read Rose's part and the other person's part.
Do it alone in your room or with a friend. Record yourself on your phone and then listen back. You will be surprised how good you sound.
And if you want more episodes like this one, you are in the right place. We upload new episodes every week with new situations, new vocabulary, and new adventures for Rose.
Next week, Rose goes to her first job interview in English. You do not want to miss that one.
Subscribe right now so you get notified the second it drops, and hit that like button if today's episode helped you. It means the world to us.
Leave us a comment below. Tell us, which dialogue was your favorite today, and what situation do you want us to do next?
We read every single comment, every one, so don't be shy.
This is Chill English Time, where English is simple, fun, and always very chill.
I'm Michael.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Take care, keep practicing, and never stop learning. Bye!